Okay, dear students, after reading the lesson, I want to do the questions. I want to discuss question answers with you, working with the text. Question number 1. Why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? The answer is everyone around the king was talking about Hilsa fish. This had infuriated the king. Infuriated means made angry. This made angry the king, so he did not want anyone to talk about the Hilsa fish. So that is why everyone around the king always they were talking about Hilsa fish. So this made the king very angry. So question number 2. What did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? Answer. The king asked Gopal to buy a huge Hilsa fish from the market and to ensure that no one should talk of him about the fish on the entire way from the market to palace. So the king wanted to test the cleverness of Gopal. So that is why he has given him the challenge that when he was bringing the Hilsa fish to the palace, on the way, even in the palace, nobody should talk about Hilsa fish. So the challenge was accepted and he has done. The Gopal has done. Question number 3. What three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? When he was going to buy Hilsa fish, three things he has done. What were they? Answer. Gopal half shaved his face. Number 1. He half shaved his face, smeared ash on his body himself, and smeared ash on his body and bore rugs. Bore rugs means be and bore torn clothes before going out to buy Hilsa fish. Three things. Number 1, half shaven his face. Number 2, smeared ash on his face. Number 3, put on torn clothes. Question number 4. Why did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? How? The Gopal started singing and dancing in front of the palace at a loud voice. The king heard the noise and asked the man to be brought inside. So, when he was not allowed to enter the palace by the cops, he started singing and dancing before the palace and in a loud voice. The king heard the voice and asked the cops to bring inside the person. Question number 5. Explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. No one was interested about the Hilsa fish Gopal had brought because of Gopal's condition, because he has dressed up himself in a peculiar fashion. So that is why no one was interested in Hilsa fish. Everyone was interested in Gopal's peculiar way of making himself, dressing himself. He was wearing rugs and his face was half shaven, ash was smeared over his body. People were more interested in his appearance than the fish. Question number 6. Write true or false against each of the following sentences. Number 1. The king lost his temper easily. It is true. You have seen in the question in the lesson, when everyone was talking about the Hilsa fish, the king got tempered, got furious. He was furious. Number 2, Gopal was a madman. False. This is false. He was a clever man. Gopal was a clever man. It is true. Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. It is false. because he was a courtier, but he dressed himself in a peculiar fashion because he wanted to do something. The king got angry when he was shown to be wrong, false. He was very happy, and when he came to know that. Question number working with language. Question number 1. Notice how a comic book there are no speech marks when characters talk. Instead, what they say is put in a speech bubble. However, if you wish to repeat or report what they say, we must put it into reported speech. Change the following sentences in the story to reported speech. The first one has been done for you. How much did you pay for that hilsa? Why did your face half shaven? And Gopal asked his wife. You can see the Bayman asked the man, how much did you pay for that hilsa? Next question, question number 2. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty, Gopal told the king. Gopal's wife asked him why his face was half shaven. Gopal told the king that he accepted the challenge. Question number 4. I want to see the king. Gopal told the guards that he wanted to see the king. Question number 5. Bring the man to me at once. The king ordered the guard to bring the man to him at once. Question number 2. So, next is question number 1, picture reading. Question number 1, you can see. Look at the picture and read the text aloud. Now ask your partner questions about each picture. What is the stag? You can see there are question number 1. You can see where is the stag? The answer is stag is standing by the side of the pond. Question number 2. What is he doing? Answer, the stag is about to drink water when he saw his reflection in the pond. C. Does he like the antlers? Antler means horns. C. Yes, he finds them beautiful. D. Does he like his legs? No. D answer, no. The stag finds his legs to be thin and ugly. E. Why is the stag running? The stag is running because he has been chased by the hunters. Hunters. Is he made to hide in the bushes? No, he is not able to hide in the bushes because his horns got stuck in them. Next, where did the hunters now? G. The hunters are just behind the stag. H. Are they closing in on the stag? H. Yes, they are closing in on stag. H. I. Is the stag free? The stag was able to run fast because of his legs and is free now. J. What does the stag say about his horns and the legs? The stag says that he was proud of his horns, but he would have been killed because of them. He was ashamed of his legs, but they saved his life. So, boys and girls, you can write there was a stag story like this. There was a stag. He lived in a jungle. One day he went to drink water in a pond. He saw his reflection in the pond. He felt proud of his beautiful antlers. Then he saw his legs. He was upset because they were thin and ugly. Suddenly there were hunters behind him. The stag ran to save his life. He wanted to hide in the bushes, but he could not as his antlers got was stuck in them. He found the hunters behind him. He ran his life. He ran for his life and was finally saved. At the end, he realized that he was feeling proud of his antlers, but he would have been killed because of them. He felt ashamed of his legs, but he was able to save his life ultimately because of them. The title is The Stag and His Beautiful Horns. So you can see, complete the following words ladder with the help of the clues given below. So you can see, mother will be very cross if you don't go to school. As soon as he caught sight of his teacher, Mohan started writing. How do you like my tiny kitchen garden? Big enough for you, is it? My youngest sister is now a year old. Question number 5. Standing on the roof, he saw children playing on the road. Number 6. Don't make such a fuss, nothing will happen. Don't cross the street till the green light comes on. So, questions, small questions we were doing here also. Very short answer type questions. How do the fishmongers lure the customers to buy Hilsa fish? The fishmongers lured the customers by saying that the price had been down that day. Who was Gopal? Gopal was a courtier in the king's court, known for his wisdom and presence of mind. Question number 3. What did Gopal's wife think about him? Gopal's wife thought that her husband had gone mad. Question number 4. What were the remarks of two men on seeing Gopal in the market? On seeing Gopal, a man said that he must be a madman, while the other called him a mystic. Question number 5. What was the king's reaction when he came to know that he had lost the challenge? The king was happy about it and congratulated Gopal for winning the challenge. Very short answer questions. Question number 1. What happened when the king heard his courtier talking about Hilsa fish? When the king heard the courtiers talking about Hilsa fish, he lost his temper and warned them that they were courtiers, not fishermen. But the king soon felt guilty, looking at his nervous and humble courtiers. When he had rebuked, his tone changed, and he said that it was the season of Hilsa, and nobody could be stopped from talking about Hilsa. Why did Gopal's wife find his activity strange? Gopal had half shaven his face, smeared ash over himself, had put on rags, and was looking disgraceful. She asked Gopal the reason for such weird acts. She stopped him from going out like that, but Gopal told her that he was going to buy Hilsa fish. At last, she concluded that Gopal had gone. Long answer type questions we will discuss in the class also. Thank you very much. Thanks.